Everything that belongs to me that was taken into the grave, everything that belongs to me that was not delivered into my hand, but was taken into the grave, this morning, have mercy on me. Retrieve them now. Any battle over my life that was transferred in continuity to anyone living, Jesus, tonight, by your blood, break the yoke from off my neck. Battles that they waged against me and they died, and handed it over to their co-conspirators to continue. Afflictions, my tax masters assigned over me. Somebody turn it to prayer. Tax masters assigned over me that were dealing with me, and after they died, they handed the baton over to another. Tonight, I break free from this yoke. I break free from this yoke.